Yo, what's up? How you doing?
Dzień dobry, dzień dobry. Good morning from Albania, Durrës, Albania. Actually, now we are just having our breakfast.
Yesterday we just arrived to Albania for the very first time, and we stay in the one of the very beautiful hotel, as you see, with the balcony facing directly the ocean, which is very cool. And generally we're gonna be here for another 4 or 5 days, and we're gonna show you a little bit of Albania. I know, like many of you, when you see the relation on Instagram, where are you? In Albania? Yes, we are in Albania. Our goal is to visiting the places what they are not so popular, like Spain or Portugal. That will be also, but in the future. But today, and on this occasion, let's exclusively enjoy Albania. Sayang, I know you don't like the heights, because for you it's a little bit scary, especially here in the corner. Look at this one. This one is actually cool. You get to the corner like this one. Oh, and you have a nice view of the swimming pool area here, and another swimming pool, and overall the landscape. The hotel is also cool architecture, I have to say. Okay, let's go to the beach.
It has been long time we haven't made any video, a travel video. I'm just feeling like I don't know what to say. It's like overexcited. We used to like, going somewhere, making a video or something like that. But now exclusively we travel to Albania because this is one of my dreams, going visiting the Balkan countries. I'm not visiting West Europe first because I know that it's so many things going on. I want to enjoy the authentic Balkan countries. Well, last time we were in Croatia, so today is exclusively from Albania, Durrës, Albania.
And the one thing is that one is we are in Albania. If you don't know where is Albania, Albania is in the southern Europe. Last time we were in Croatia. So Croatia, then there is the Montenegro, then there is also Bosnia and Herzegovina a little bit, and other countries in Balkans. So basically Albania is like, if you go that direction there is Greece, and if you go that direction, if I'm not mistaken, is Montenegro. So, and this is the Adriatic Sea behind me, and into that direction is Greece, I think I already mentioned. So, and it's off season, that's why it's very quiet, which is actually, we really like it. And the weather is perfect, at least for me it's perfect. It's about 25 degrees, it's not too cold, not too hot, it's perfect. And Sayank is afraid to stay there in this corner because it's very sharp. For me it's actually cool. We go to the beach, Sayank, let's go. Let's go.
And as you see that, there are some people already going to the beach, enjoying the sun. I like this hotel, but it's just like I'm not really high person.
Actually, we are on the 4th floor. I wanted to go to the highest floor. It's actually very quiet. I mean, some businesses here already out of business, and those here, this is our hotel. But as you can see, some people still enjoying the sunbathing right now. For them, it's still enjoyable. But of course it depends on what we are looking for. And of course, like I said previously, there are some pools and the promenade, and there is the city also there in the back. Okay, we go to the beach now. And that's the streets of the promenade actually here in Durrës in Albania, and this is our hotel. One thing what I just wanted to tell you is we have a literally direct oceanfront hotel, which is very rare to find in many other places, even in Bali actually. It's hard to find literally ocean front, as you just stand on the balcony and see everything, right?
Yes.
Something like that was in Da Nang, but without the balcony like this one, and there was the street still. There is no street is behind, and there is not so busy over here, so you don't hear these noises.
Kochanie, it's just like many people are starting to go to the beach now, and then what I can say that it feels like the beach is, only you or the resort, the visitors, something like that, who come here, no?
No, tak.
And then let's see how
the water look like here in Durrës, Albania. There is the sun, that's for sure, as you can see. So it's actually pretty cool. It was raining, I think, yesterday. Soft, and there is also the water. So you can see and feel the ocean vibe again.
Oh my goodness, this one is vitamin C overdose. I can see, salty.
Sayang.
Salty hair, sun kiss. and also full of the sun, you know. I really like it, the sound of the ocean. Nice.
Okay.
And then the thing is that not overcrowded. This
Not
is what I really
overcrowded.
like.
Okay, let's go that direction. So yesterday when we are leaving actually the Warsaw, because we came on Saturday night from Poznan to Warsaw, it was like 16, 17 degree, and yesterday in the morning in Warsaw was 12 degree actually. And here is nice already, 25 degree. Yesterday was a little bit chilly and it was cloudy, I have to say, when we arrived, but today it's really, really cool. Okay, we're gonna show you a little bit around. But it's very quiet in general. You may be like, what's going on? It feels a little bit like a Bali during pandemic because it's quiet. Because in next week there is actually the end of the season, so it's like just the time.
I really like the palm trees like this one, you know, and then how is the vegetation is here, plants and everything is totally different. And even in our balcony, we've got olives.
Actually, as the instead of flower of something, we have olives as this one. So it's cool.
And then we'll show you around is actually how is the promenade looks like. And then yes, it seems like it's quieter if you compare with the previous months, June, July, August, and now in September. It's totally different vibe, but I guess this is the best time where you can enjoy it.
But also additional thing is that as this is Albania. Not many of you even heard Albania. What the hell is this? Croatia, Spain, France, Italy, everybody. But Albania, that's why we came here. We like to exploring the places where not too many people generally coming.
So the thing is that when you really, walking here, you feel like there are so many restaurants at this time. Maybe just because of the low season. Off-season. Sorry, off-season. This is like the restaurant on left and right side is already closed. But still people, coming, walking, enjoying the time. And then one thing here in Durrës, seems like there are so many development. And I think that the direction of development is just into the tourism industry. As you see, on the left, on the right side, it's like a brand new, next to our hotel, brand new hotel's gonna be. And here you see, it's like, used to be a restaurant, and because of, end of the season here, which is.
It was supposed to be some nice recent restaurant. I think this belongs to some hotel which is closed. Yeah, Hotel Porta Cavalia. I think this the place where we are actually is already not Durrës, it's Cavalia.
No.
And it was something nice, like a mix between because Albania is very big mix between Turkey, Greece and Mediterranean, and generally little bit of Italian, Roman influence, so many stuff. And the Albanian history actually have a lot of side stories around, and the dark history as well, little bit, well, if you read it. But generally they trying to develop as much as possible. And the interesting fact is, as for many years, that was one of the, unfortunately, the poorest countries in Europe. Sayang, seems like there was some selling something here.
Yes, this is what I told you, because of this one is the end of the season. Imagine that when you come here during summer, must be more and more vibrant, but it seems like, there's still at some restaurant. I think this is the public beach was here also, with the sign. No. And there was some nice, actually this restaurant at the front of us still open. Yeah.
Beach Bar Johnny.
The thing is that because we came here for the all-inclusive holiday, like this, so we've got a bracelet, we've got like a breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and everything. Drinks. All you can eat in the hotel and restaurant and drink. And so,
first time actually we did it like that, to be honest.
Oh, nice, warm, sunny. Oh my God, this is what I need.
This is what you need. It's actually pretty warm now. It's like, end last days of October, beginning of, last day of September, beginning of October. But it's warm.
This is like the tropical vibe on the left.
Yeah, it's like a tropical vibe, that's the thing.
beach bar. And look, even that, this is what I told you, even that they have a shop, bazaar, and they have a like yes,
amusement little park.
Yes, amusement park for the children. And the thing is, this area is actually like a family friendly place, and as you see that there are so many families surrounding, and also the couples, you know, it's totally different than Samil or Saranda, where
which is nearly like Greece, because it's next to the Greece border.
And then that's more into the party vibe. Here is more into, you know, enjoyable
and
vibe.
I could say even this is tourist area where we are now. This is still, you can feel a little bit more of the, you know, regular Albania, because there next to the Greece, I heard it's like a very Greece vibe and
more expensive.
And more expensive.
And here it's more affordable, what I can see.
And more local, like
more
you can even
vibe.
see a little bit of rubbish and everything, so you can feel the local vibe, generally speaking.
Tak.
Marbella
Beach.
Alright, and then there are some street also we're gonna walk later on, and there's nice palm trees, beach trees and everything, and you can walk up to the Dures city actually by this promenade. What did you fancy?
Kochanie, this one, which is, this one they also have a kind of the water sport, and this one is the pricing for the water sport.
It's like back in Pattaya, no?
Exactly. The thing is that, you know, just because of the end of the season is that not many people are actually on the beach for the water sport, but the thing is that, yeah, this is the price range actually.
That's the thing.
And look, this one is another hotel resort and spa, and the thing, it's totally different.
Same but different. Somehow feels little bit like walking somewhere. I could say if we always compare to Bali, somewhere in Nusa Dua, but it's different.
You see, Albania, yes, Albania.
Oh, that's a nice bar here. Something, say?
No.
We are walking more further. There is some nice hotels, some local vibes, some local stocking. There is some simple parking lot. Oh, they're enjoying something. They play some sort
that's
of
the
game.
Tourists, Kochanie, enjoying the, you know, they have like activities in the hotels, you know.
Alright, whatever. No. Anyway, somebody enjoying something. Just generally, it's very quiet. This is nice beach bar or beach cafe. There is the ATMs everywhere, peacefully standing alone, where you can withdraw some cash. This one actually looks nice.
Right.
No?
Right, and the thing is that when you walk here, you can walk peacefully in enjoying the vibe. I mean, nobody come to you or, you know, trying to sell you something just to annoy you. No, you just have time for yourself. Enjoy the peaceful walk. And you see, in the morning there is no like a beach club sound, music, big loud
in our
music.
hotel, it's a little bit actually.
But that's on the different occasion. Night bar is okay.
And I would like to also notice is nobody try to sell us anything.
This is the thing, you know. Imagine this is when it's summertime.
Maybe they will offer us something. Ale nie wiem. Ale today no.
And look at this, which is the restaurant.
That's the coffee bar.
Coffee bar.
And I will show you, this is yesterday, I show you maybe on not on YouTube, this is Albanian flag, by the way. The red with the black eagle with double hats. Yeah, that's some nice bar actually. Yeah. And not everything is closed yet, eh?
Yes.
Some of the things are still open. Right. I believe actually during the summer, like a whole season, like a hot season, whereas, you know, the kids coming for holidays, it's pretty busy.
Tak, must be.
Maya Bay Beach. There are still some nice looking coffee bars and bars in general. Coffee bars in general in this part of Europe, they are popular coffee bars where you can have a cheap coffee.
I know that in Albania they also are famous for the coffee. So we definitely coffee, olives, something like that.
And local wine or something.
Yes, so yeah, for sure that we will try the local coffee and coffee bar everywhere. And look at this plants, Kochanie. What is it, a Christmas tree?
No, this is some sort of Adriatic climate. This part of Europe, climate trees. Looks nice actually, especially on this shot. Don't know what this kind of trees, ale this is the Adriatic vibe trees, I could say like that. Cool. Something similar was in Croatia actually. Alright, let's go. And everywhere you can have a shower here in the warungs, I mean the local places, no problem. And actually more and more you go closer to the city, because we are heading more to the city. There's more restaurants and the bars. Some more bars here and there. All is empty, half empty, because it's like I said, off season. Ale nice.
No. Oh,
Hello.
pomegranate.
Oh, you make a juice. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Actually, many nice places, and people are friendly here. Sayang, generally speaking.
The thing is that people, you have to understand that people who live close by the water, it's like a different vibe. You know, like more easygoing. You know, chill. You know, it's nice. What
I can say, no, that's the thing, right? So this is the flag of Albania, just in case if you didn't catch up before, like this one. And Winnie suits with her color.
No.
So I'm so proud as you are from Albania. You are came to Albania, no?
No.
No?
Tak.
All of the people, if they coming to from Indonesia, they usually come to where? To Amsterdam, London, Italy, France,
The thing
Barcelona.
yesterday in immigration, where is it Indonesia?
Yeah, the guy was so totally like,
where is it
honestly.
Indonesia? I said, in Southeast Asia, sir. Okay, so you need visa? No, I'm married to Polish citizen. I have a Polish residence permit. Aha, how long you are here? This
5
is the
days.
first time I see Indonesia passport and coming here, and
That
he's
was
just like,
hilarious.
he's just hilarious, you know. And I said that, yeah, I'm originally from Bali. Aha, I heard about Bali, but Indonesia, I don't know where it is. This immigration stuff is so fun. But the thing is that they are friendly, you know. They really, you know, it's not like a straightforward, like, you know, arrogant or something. Like, the stuff is nice.
Nice, and they just peacefully check
Yes.
your return ticket and let you go
Yes.
without any problem. This bar is nice also.
Nice. Kohanya, that's the palm tree, and look at this, which is I don't know whether I can go up or not. That's the olive trees.
Olive
It's just
tree?
like growing wildly, no?
Not like that's the olives, they just growing everywhere. Even in our balcony they are growing.
Yes.
So you see,
Nice.
different part of the world, different thingy growing.
Tak.
Not talk. And the palm trees here are palm trees, not the coconut trees.
Tak.
And you see, I'm working on the shade side. For me it's already hot, and Sayang just enjoying the sunshine. For her is just perfect. Not too hot, not too warm. Perfect, right Sayang?
You
For you
stay
already-
there.
You're already warm enough, yeah?
No.
Enjoying sunshine, yeah?
Tak.
For me,
I wanna go to the beach.
I already like shade. For me it's already hot enough. Sayang enjoying the sunshine breeze, yeah? So nice. There is some jet ski there. The same sound of the ocean, little bit. Enjoying the time, no?
Listening to the breeze, listening to ocean. Oh, I don't know.
The ocean. Sound of the ocean, yeah. So good. Actually, the Adriatic
Salty
Sea.
hair, sandy toes, huh?
No,
Sunfish. That's
not
what I
that.
mean.
Not that.
Okay, let's check the water. Sandy feet. Ooh, it's quite cold. Woohoo! It's nice. And Damian is there. And here it is. Kohanye. Look at you. Are you enjoying your holiday?
Not that.
No. It's nice. The Adriatic Sea.
So this is the swimming pool situation here. Also it's outside and it's also inside. So I'm enjoying because it's so hot. This together with this salt room and the sauna.
Kochanie.
I am.
So after we've got sauna and swimming in the pool inside, right, Kochanie? You're hungry? Now it's time to have a snack by the pool. So this is how the
meals.
Between the meals. So this is how the snack actually for the all inclusive. That's the swimming pool, and yes, like this. This and unlimited drinks that you want. Alcoholic or no alcoholic one. So this is one is the drink menu, and this is how it looks nice.
It's sunset time. I have no microphone, it's a little bit windy though. I just wanted to show you. Sunset everywhere is the same, no? Sun is the same. That's how does it look like. There's the construction of the hotel, by the way. As Albania is developing. One day gonna look like here, like the same like in Croatia one day. Sayang!
Yes, beautiful sunset.
Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Very nice sunset actually. Nice vibe.
I think that's all our video today from Albania, Dures Albania. Kochanie?
Dures Albania.
Otak. Thanks for watching and see you for the next episode. Still in
Albania. See you next time. See ya.